Ever wish you can get buyer clicks, people already ready to buy without spending a dime on ads? Well, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you a real step by step method from the free Clicks for Life system. Then stay tuned because I'll break down why the paid version is worth upgrading to once you're ready to scale. So if you want buyer clicks without spending a dime on ads, I'm talking about real traffic, people who are already warmed up and ready to buy. I did find a free method that works right now using just a social profile, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes. And if you want to take it on to the next level, stick around and I'll show you how to get the paid version, which will make it even easier. Okay, so here's how it works. Okay, the whole idea behind free buyer clicks for life is simple. Use your social media profile. It's your best free real estate that you have right now. If you optimize it the right way, though, you don't need to chase traffic around. It will come to you. Now, let's take LinkedIn as an example. Here's a basic setup anyone can copy. First step, the headline makeover. What you want to do is change your LinkedIn headline to clearly state who you help and what you help them to do. Instead of freelancer or affiliate marketer, try I help busy dads earn side income with simple PDF profits. Now, the second step is your banner call to action. What you want to do is design a simple banner in Canva with a bold question and a link to your free lead magnet or product. Now, the example I would use is want buyer clicks without ads and link in it about your section. Step number 3 is the pinned post strategy. Post something value packed, like here's how I got my first buyer clicks without a website. No ad spend, no funnel, just my profile. Then give 2 to 3 tips and invite people to comment, guide, or PDF if they want your free resource. The fourth step is the DM funnel, and you don't have to be sleazy about it. When people comment or engage, DM them, hey, I saw your comment. Here's the guide I mentioned. Let me know how it goes. And really, that's it. Now you just turned your profile into a buyer magnet. Now, here's the thing. This method does work, but it requires you to do it a lot manually. Now, you have to create your own lead magnet, write your posts, reply to DMs, follow up, and hope the traffic keeps flowing. Now, that's where the paid version of free buyer clicks for life comes in. With the upgrade, you'll get done for you templates so you're not starting from scratch, recurring traffic strategies that keep the leads coming in without you constantly posting, pre-written DM sequences, just copy, paste, and profit, and in some cases, even funnels or email follow-ups built for you. It basically turns this whole method into a system you can set up once and have running in the background while you focus on making sales. So if you're brand new, use the free method I just showed you. It does work. I've done it. I've used it for years. My students have done it. Now you have to stay consistent. But if you want to make things faster and easier, and maybe even avoid weeks of trial and error, then the paid version is 100% worth it. I dropped the link below in the description. It's called the free Buyer Clicks for Life system. You can grab the free version and you'll see an upgrade options once you're inside. And if you like this breakdown, I've got another video coming on the next on how to turn these buyer clicks into a recurring product offer using nothing but a PDF and a Stripe link. So hit subscribe and I'll see you in that one.